So what exactly makes that wonderful blow-off sound that we've all come to love? All turbocharger systems use exhaust gas to compress air and push it through the charge pipes and intercooler and into the throttle body. But as soon as you let off the throttle, that throttle body is going to close, and now you have all that compressed air stuck in the charge pipe. The purpose of a blow-off valve is to relieve that pressure. To do this, a valve opens up and all that air stuck in the charge pipe gets vented to the atmosphere, which creates that glorious sound we all know and love.